What's up, guys? This is Teddy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video, we're going to be talking about how to make a Rxjs sandbox, and it is very simple to do. And I'm going to give you two options. If you want JavaScript, going to talk about that, and if you want TypeScript, going to talk about that as well. And let's go ahead and let's start with a good old-fashioned JavaScript environment. Although I do recommend TypeScript if you are planning on working in Angular. Doesn't really matter though. JavaScript is fine as well too. And I'm just going to call this Rxjs Sandbox and just good old JavaScript. So let's go in here. And what I am going to do first is I'm going to go into my terminal and make sure that I am within the project that I want. So I am. So first things first, let's go ahead and run a good old-fashioned npm init. Gonna go ahead, enter through this. Doesn't really matter, just a sandbox. And next thing that I'm going to do is type in npm install Rxjs. And go ahead and install Rxjs, and that will give me a node modules folder with a package.log or package.json folder. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to go in here and you want to type in index.js. And you should see up here, if you type this out, this should go ahead and be correct. And let's go ahead and type in index.js, node.index.js into the terminal to make sure it's working. And it's not going to work because you need to go into your package.json and you need to type in type and you need to put module right here. And that should go ahead and make things work. So that is how you do it in JavaScript. So let's go ahead and let's talk about TypeScript. So what you want to do if you are trying to build a TypeScript sandbox is go to my GitHub and type in, and I'll leave a link down below. And if you want to get the TypeScript version, go to this TypeScript course GitHub repo. Go ahead in here, find an appropriate folder in the terminal from which you want to clone it. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back cd ... go back, and then I'm just going to go in here, type in git clone, and paste in this TypeScript course GitHub URL. So it's going to go ahead and clone it, and this is actually the TypeScript course right here. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead, after you clone it, you'll see it there in the just TypeScript course, and just go ahead, open it in Visual Studio. And same thing, just go in, make sure that you're within the folder that you want, and then just type in npm install Rxjs. And I already have it installed, so it's just gonna hopefully update it, I think. But that will give you the version, and it's debuggable and everything for your Rxjs, and so you'll have TypeScript. Anyways, that's going to be the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.